Hi everyone, I'm Steve Stoller. Plano has two splash pads, this one at Windhaven Meadows Park and the other at the Plano Aquatic Center. Here's what Parks and Recreation staff members do to ensure these areas stay safe and sanitary. We use chlorine and ultraviolet light at both locations to disinfect the water. An automated system maintains chemical levels. At the Aquatic Center, staff members check those levels every 2 hours. At Windhaven Meadows, the system automatically turns off the water anytime the chemicals are out of range. Both locations have alarms that notify staff when levels are off. We also drain the system twice per season so we can clean and disinfect the holding tanks. These important practices at our splash pads exceed state requirements and ensures your family stays safe and healthy. We'll see you soon for another Stoller on the Street.